Transforming agriculture, how XcellHost Cloud ensures food safety through smart farming. The agriculture sector is undergoing a revolutionary transformation, with technology leading the way. The future of food security. In agriculture and food processing, surveillance isn't just about protection, it's about compliance, traceability, and accountability. Traditional CCTV systems can't cover vast farms, remote sites, or dynamic production environments. Footage gets lost, systems fail, and critical insights remain unseen. With XcellHost Cloud, surveillance evolves from reactive monitoring to data-driven operational control. Cloud surveillance for Agritech. XcellHost Cloud by XcellHost is a cloud-native VSaaS platform built for end-to-end agriculture and food processing visibility. It replaces fragmented DVR systems with one centralized, AI-powered command hub that monitors farms, greenhouses, factories, and logistics networks in real time. From soil to shelf, every frame tells a story of quality, compliance, and safety. Core agriculture and food processing use cases. Here's how XcellHost Cloud empowers the agri-food ecosystem with AI-driven visibility and accountability. Farm and greenhouse surveillance. Monitor farm perimeters, irrigation equipment, and crop storage in real time. Detect unauthorized access, equipment theft, or fire hazards, even across remote rural sites. AI analytics provide alerts on motion, intrusion, and environmental conditions, protecting your yield and assets. Food processing line monitoring. In processing facilities, XcellHost Cloud ensures hygiene compliance and workflow visibility. It detects anomalies like halted lines, contamination, or unsafe worker behavior, ensuring zero compromise on food safety. Worker safety and hygiene compliance. AI modules track PPE usage, masks, gloves, hairnets across production areas. Non-compliance alerts help facilities meet FSSAI, HACCP, and ISO 22000 food safety standards. Cold chain and temperature-controlled surveillance. XcellHost Cloud integrates with IoT sensors to monitor cold storage areas and transport containers. Any temperature deviation triggers an instant alert to prevent spoilage. Inventory and warehouse protection. AI motion detection protects packaged goods and raw material stockrooms, minimizing shrinkage and theft. Logistics and supply chain monitoring. Monitor shipments in real time with onboard cameras, GPS, and AI-based route analytics, ensuring cargo integrity from farm to retailer. Real-world success stories. A dairy cooperative in Gujarat deployed XcellHost Cloud across processing plants, reducing spoilage incidents by 40%. A frozen food exporter used AI-integrated cold chain surveillance to ensure 100% temperature compliance across shipments. An organic farm network used remote surveillance to monitor 200+ acres of farmland, improving equipment recovery and reducing theft by 70%. Integration with XcellHost ecosystem. XcellHost Cloud integrates seamlessly within the XcellHost Agritech ecosystem, connecting with Cluebase VMS for centralized, multi-site visibility, ClueBridge for hybrid integration of older systems, and XcellAI for behavior analytics, hazard detection, and predictive maintenance. The future of agri-food security. Feeding the world begins with protecting what we produce. Want to learn more? Visit our website.